The family sits at an airport cafe. Empty plates and drinks are on the table.
I keep thinking about the receipt. I am looking at our photos.
My head feels tired.
I am checking the papers again.
A boarding announcement plays overhead. The family stands up together. They walk through a long corridor. The travelator moves slowly.
My feet hurt. I will walk with you.
The airplane is visible through the glass. The boarding gate sign is glowing. Boarding passes are scanned. They enter the narrow jet bridge. The plane interior appears. The family puts bags overhead.
I want the window seat. I will sit in the middle.
I take the aisle seat.
The seatbelt sign turns on. The plane starts to move.
I like watching the runway.
The plane takes off. Clouds fill the window. The cabin lights go dim.
I feel sleepy. I am thinking quietly.
I am watching the kids.
The plane shakes gently. The seatbelt sign is flashing.
I will hold the armrest.
I am calm.
I breathe slowly.
A drink cart rolls by.
No snack for me. I woke up a little.
I will fix your blanket.
The sun sets outside the window.
I learned many things on this trip.
I like the view.
A flight attendant smiles. The cabin is calm again.
I open my notes app. I write new ideas.
The jewelry pouch is beside the phone.
I will think about this later. I am awake now.
Piano slowly fades out.
Let us speak softly.
The cabin lights turn off. Stars shine outside. The flight is long and quiet.
I rest my eyes.
This seat is uncomfortable.
I finally feel relaxed.
The plane begins to descend. City lights appear below. The landing gear goes down. The plane lands safely. The family enters the arrival hall. They collect their luggage.
My bag is here.
You did very well today.
I need sleep.
They walk to the taxi area. The city passes by at night.
It feels good to be home.
Their home street appears. The house lights are on. The front door opens. Bags are dropped inside.
I am very tired. I take off my necklace.
I put the documents away.
I feel happy now.
The kitchen light turns on. The fridge is empty.
I am hungry.
We will order food.
Menus open on the table. The family sits together. They laugh together.
No sausages.
That joke again.
The clock shows late night. The family feels calm and tired. The lights turn off. The house is quiet.